Hi, to turn on your Xiaomi 13 without using power button, as a first step, hold volume up button on your phone and now take the charging cable, plug it in your phone and at the end connect to the power adapter. Continue holding the button till you see the list of options such as reboot, wipe data, and so on. Now do not do anything, just wait for about 5-10 minutes. And after that, Xiaomi 13 will just be reset automatically and we can go to the next step. And now it's been about 4-5 minutes and my phone just turned on and I didn't even touch the screen. I didn't use the power button, volume up and down buttons, nothing. I just left it in this mode and it turned on by itself. So now we can unlock it if you have a password, enter it, and now let's open settings. And here we need to find the feature double tap. I'm gonna just enter it in this search bar. Now let's go in here and select double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. And now we can just double tap the lock screen to turn it on and double tap to turn it off. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.